Hi folks, my name is Jeremy Linden, aka Mr. Linden, aka DJ Utopia, and I'm a mostly underground house DJ here in Seattle. My channel is chock full of DJ sets along with the occasional shitty VR 180, but today I wanted to try something a little bit different and show you how I organize my music. I primarily use Rekordbox because, blah blah, industry standard blah, but I also manually sort my tracks first. So let's switch to the desktop here real quick so you can see. So first off, if you look at my playlist window, you can see that at the top I have a few loose lists. These tend to be things that I'm currently working on. Coming up here in a couple of weeks, I have a 4-hour set with my super homie Hector Rodriguez as our back-to-back act, LKH. So these are up here. Then below the loose lists, I have a few of my main residencies in folders, each with their own lists, usually a catch-all and then sets for individual nights. Below those are an archive of sorts for my past gigs, streams, and studio mixes. Then there are a few random folders for organization. Promo Only was a download pool, and, Deep House, that's a mix series, and these should actually go into mixes. And then I have the meat of my organization. I have my own manual genre lists with corresponding folders over here on my drive. And as you can see over here, I have them sorted by date modified, which will come into play in a couple of minutes. And then I have a folder titled Chronology, and it's chock full of intelligent playlists. You can make a new intelligent playlist by right-clicking, selecting Create Intelligent Playlist. I name it year, month number, and then month name for sorting. And then you set the rule as date added is in the range, the month, and then the date. This one will stay empty because it is currently January 27th, but you get the idea. The nice thing about this method is that you can create the intelligent playlists, and as long as you haven't bulk added your entire collection at some point, they should autofill correctly. So if we go to the bottom of January 2022, you can see my last track added is one of my works in progress. Just so happens to be in the background song of my intro here. I'll expand my genres folder and then go over to my drive and start pulling the tracks that I've purchased today into their corresponding playlists. Now, intelligent playlists can totally sort out by genre, but the reason I don't use them for this is because not all of the metadata will be accurate, and everyone has their own opinions on genres, myself included. This also kind of forces me to listen to the tracks after I download them in order to sort them into the folder that I want them to be in. Now, mine can definitely benefit from some futzing around. For instance, my deep and lo-fi should be separated into deep house and lo-fi, especially since I've already started a lo-fi only folder. So once I've pulled them into their genres, I can go back into my January playlist, and there they are at the bottom. And then I can also pull them into my prep folder for control room, since that's what I've been specifically shopping for. So now this playlist will sort of be my pool. I'll definitely have more that I'm going to pull in, but this is just the beginning of my organizational pool. So I hope that someone finds this useful. I definitely have room for improvement, maybe a lot of tagging I can do, separating out vibes and energy, but for the most part, this method has worked really well for me for a few years. So what are some of your favorite best practices for organizing? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And if you didn't like it, I have plenty of other videos that you can hate on, and I'll probably be making more, so you can always hate subscribe, if that's a thing, which I'm not sure, but I imagine it probably is. Hi, folks. Why do I keep doing that? What are some of your favorite best practices for organizing? What are some of your favorite shit? All right, here we go. I look way better without the fucking headphones on. Mostly underground house DJ here in Seattle. Fuck.